We are in Photoshop, so let's generate a design there. We will create different features, shapes, and keep on making that shapes here. To make it more attractive, we will apply on it. So there we will find some different structure. I will have a design and keep making these shapes again. Let's find a structure there. There we have it. I will use a different feature there and a paint around it.